Join me as I highlight our aluminum L banner stand series, what Frontline calls the OSLO. If you haven't already, this is your chance to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. We would love for you to share the knowledge. Send this to your coworkers, customers, and friends within the industry. Now, let's get to it. The OSLO L banner stand is found in the tension banner stand category and gets its name from the shape created by the weighted foot and pole. The graphic is installed to 2 clamp bars and is assembled by attaching these bars to the L-shaped hardware. It comes with a rigid carry bag with a separate pocket for the foot to ensure it protects the graphic and hardware through travel or storage. The OSLO is available in a silver finish and comes in a variety of sizes. The L banner features a small viewable profile to allow your graphic to be the center of attention, and it can be easily installed, quickly set up, and offers simple graphic changes with no additional materials. Unlike a retractable banner stand, the OSLO has no mechanical parts and therefore decreases the chances of wear out over time, shipping damage, drop damage, user error, and misuse causing irreparable damage to the stand. The OSLO is a simple, low-cost product that can support even the most high-end images and graphics. Each unit of the OSLO is individually boxed and comes with a rigid carry bag, 1 weighted foot, 1 3-part bungee pole, and 2 clamp bars with end caps. To install the graphic, first remove the end caps on the clamp bar and insert the top of the graphic into the channel, clamping down slowly and evenly to ensure not to create any wrinkles in the graphic. Once firmly closed, replace the plastic end caps to each side. Repeat this on the bottom of the graphic. The L-shaped stand can be assembled by pushing together the pole sections and screwing the bottom of the pole onto the weighted foot. Both clamp bars attach to the stand by sliding the fitting into the channel on the back side of the clamp bar by tilting the clamp bar on a 45-degree angle. Once positioned, straighten the clamp bar to lock it into place. It can be a little trickier to do on the bottom, and therefore this should be done first so there is no tension to fight with. And ta-da! You have one fully assembled, lightweight and sturdy OSLO L banner stand. Our L banner stand is also available in an option that allows for 2 graphics and double-sided viewing, the OSLO Double. Each OSLO Double comes with a rigid carry bag, 1 long weighted foot with 2 bottom fittings, 1 3-part bungee pole with a double-sided top fitting, and 4 clamp bars with end caps. The foot is designed for the pole to attach in the center, so a graphic can be clipped on each side at the bottom. The top pole fitting is also double-sided, which allows a clamp bar to be attached on either side. Installation of the OSLO Double is extremely similar. Graphics are attached to the clamp bars in the same manner. The heavy foot is attached to the pole in the same way, and the clamp bars slide into the fitting by tilting the clamp bar on a 45-degree angle and releasing straight to lock into place. This version more closely resembling an upside-down T or 2 L's back-to-back. The OSLO L banner stand is a great product that can be used for any application where a retractable banner stand would be suitable. Whatever your business or industry, L banner stands provide a well-priced, high-end appearance that is both lightweight and sturdy, offers quick and simple graphic changes, and is suitable for portable use and travel. The OSLO is also a viable product for extending the artwork across multiple units to create an affordable and easily portable large display for maximum impact and visibility. Perfect for a front entrance or anywhere throughout your business to provide a low-cost, high-end, and high-visibility graphic to get your message seen. Check us out at frontline-na.com for more information, to view our full product line, or contact us with any questions or inquiries. Bye, guys!